Do you remember during maandamano time when a certain politician came out and said wamekuja wana record na iPhone, wameshuka kwa Uber, they are going to eat KFC after this? I think these politicians have clocked the kind of classism that is among the younger generation sai, and it's actually getting so bad. Mimi, I am worried. Consumerism. Look at the type of content that does well in this country. Now, I'm not here to police you and tell you to watch a certain thing. Watch whatever you want to watch. But then again, if you don't have a strong sense of self, utabebwa in such that utachukua loans to fit a certain lifestyle because you saw a certain influencer living that type of life. Ama you'll start ridiculing other people when hawaishi the certain type of life that you're seeing online. Makosa ya kufanyika. Haya, look at the jokes we make towards kienyeji. And I really hate that word, but for the sake of this video, we are going to use it. Angalia the jokes we make towards kienyeji people and how we mimify them and turn them into comedic relief. A certain type of person akikuja act a certain type of way, mshamba in short. I really hate these words, but we are going to use them. Mtu akikuja hapa act in a certain type of way ni mshamba, hajakuwa, they are just being their authentic self. Hajaingiwa bado na hii mambo ya classism kwa akili. You guys turn them into comedic relief. Muna make skits, muna make jokes just towards a certain demographic, just because they look a certain way. Hiyo ni classism na tunachekanga, me included. What tunacheka, but it's not funny. It really is not funny. Look at the entitlement we have towards people's phones. Oh, unatumianga iPhone, Itel. Unatumianga Itel, unatumianga Infinix. Doesn't that phone overheat? Like, tunasema these statements as if tumesaidia hawa watu kununua hizi simu zao. Look at the entitlement we have. It's gotten so bad that kidogo mtu avunjike shingo akijaribu kuangalia what type of phone you're using. If it's a certain phone with 3 cameras, where you have ranked high among the hierarchy of friends. Kama si hiyo, they'll give you none of their time. They don't even want to be friends no more. Classism. Look at the political state of this country and how people are only activists until it serves them, until they are called to the table. Wakiitwa kwa meza wapewe kitu kidogo, they are no longer activists. Angalia time ya maandamano, when young people were bought because of money, they moved to the other side, they became their oppressors. Money. And I'm really certain that most of us are only activists because hatujapewa ile pesa. But tukiambiwa njoni, let's sit at this table that these corrupt politicians are eating at, wengi wetu tutavuka that side. So we are not activists. You're just people with phones and voices. Right? Look at the jokes we used to laugh at our high school teachers. Just because mwalimu wako wa chemistry, I used to remember, mwalimu wetu wa chemistry used to shrub and we used to laugh. We subconsciously internalized hiyo kitu. Yani, we are laughing at someone because their what is it called? Their ancestors' language imetokea wakiongea a white man's language. Na tunacheka. It was that deep when we were 15, 16. We used to laugh at these things. But now looking at them, hapo ndio issue yetu na classes ilianzia huko. It's gotten so bad that hata sahi ukiitwa parents meeting, a class teacher has to talk about classism. Watoto wa 15, 16, 17 years wako na classism sahi as we speak. Look at the consumerism. Hiyo nimeongelea, but consumerism ina equal classism, ina equal white supremacy because we associate white people with money. No wonder hii nchi, ukienda to a certain hotel or clubs, you will find white people being served first. Hata wakuje 10, hata wakuje 11, wewe ulikuja 8, watasaviwa wa kwanza. Because these people have internalized, wako na ile internalized racism. Right? To the point where if we were to be colonized again, I think Kenya na South Africa tutakuwa hapo juu. Hata hatuta struggle. It's become so bad. Mimi, I'm looking at a decade from now. Where are we going to be? Gen Z na Gen Alpha, where are we going to be? It's going to be that bad. So, tujiangalie.